Power lesson for just about game time via Plex, Omega, in-game rating, you name it. So for Omega, 1 month costs 20 bucks. If you play 52 hours per month, then you go down to 40 bucks per hour, which is a very low price for something what you do per hour. Imagine you go mini golfing or something that costs more or less, I don't know. But then again, 40 bucks, everything else goes in the fund found for PvP, whatever. And there are offers which get you down to 6 bucks, which makes it even cheaper. The alternative version is that you generate ESK in the game, which you can do by AFK Ishtar rating or whatever. And I say let's do 200 mil per hour, and you need 2.5 bill to buy 500 blacks. So you would like Ishtar spinning for 12.5 hours per month, and then you actually can do some playing. Expect that you do PvP Ishtar rating, for example.